learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And it's all about love because this month we have Valentine's Day and we talked about how to say I love you. So let's repeat that for you again. 再一次教大家怎么说很重要的3个字就是我爱你。
爱爱你。
爱爱你。All right. Now, a lot of times love could end up in a marriage, and that's great. 很多时候呢，爱到最后就是要怎么样呢？结婚了，对，这种就恭喜你了。So let's teach you terms associated with getting married. And the first step, and usually the guys would do a proposal. 我们教你怎么说求婚。
求婚。
求婚. Okay, that's a proposal. 求婚. A lot of times when you're getting married or you're going to do a proposal, you get very nervous. So let's teach you how to say nervous. 紧张。
紧张。
紧张。因为肿啊。紧张就想跑掉了嘛，对不对？紧张。It sounds like hurry up and leave in Taiwanese, but it actually means nervous in Hakka. 紧张. All right. Then there is the marriage. 要结婚了。结婚怎么说？
结婚
啊，这我教过了哈。结婚。
那海陆腔，结婚。
Get fun. Oh, a lot of fun here. All right. It's all about saying getting married in a different dialect. All right, let's make a phrase out of the sentence. 那来一句，我们预计明年结婚。没有，
当然不是我们两个啦。
对，可是有时候会听到这样子了。
对啊，
不要误会哈。
新人就说：“哎，我们预计明年结婚咯。”
对。Okay, we are getting married next year. I'm going to teach you that, but that doesn't mean that Alice and I are getting married. Okay? 怎么说呢？我们预计明年结婚。
爱到安孙。
爱到安孙。
就是我们预计了。
我们预计爱到 that means us. 安孙预计 okay, that means planning to.
明年结婚
明年 that's next year. 明年结婚 that means getting married.
愛到安孫明年結婚。
愛到安孫明年結婚. All right, that means again we're getting married next year. Let's review all these terms. 求婚 proposal. 求婚 then it's nervous 緊張 緊張 and it's getting married. 結婚結婚
你安孫幾時結婚？
明年呢？
真的有屁哦！
看看啦，现在只会讲明年啊，3年后怎么说我还不知道。All right, it's all about I love you. 我爱你。
愛愛你。
愛愛你。That's our theme of the month, and thank you for listening to Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.